Templates are a fast way to ensure that the content teachers create is likely to be accessible to everyone. It used to be so habitual for me to start a new document as a blank document because that's what I was used to doing. But now that I'm aware of how templates can be so beneficial, I will always pause at that step. In this video, I'm going to show you how starting a document with a template can assist students to create content that will allow a diverse audience to follow. Many students struggle with starting a document from a blank page. Using a template gives students a starting point, where the focus is the content and not formatting or where to begin. Templates are pre-formatted documents that are created based on type of document needed. There are many free, accessible templates available in Word. First, I open Word and click on the File tab and click New. I type Accessible in the search bar for online templates and get a list of templates that have been optimized for people with disabilities. I can search for templates in two different ways, either by category or by thumbnail pictures. I am looking for a student report template to help me organize my paper in a meaningful way. I click on Education and see that there are lots of options for me. I see a template titled Student Report, and it gives me a summary of the template's features, including that this template is accessible. The template uses headings and layouts that allow the student to not only have a place to enter text, but to also give tips and pointers on creating an effective presentation. For a student that uses a screen reader and keyboard only, the setup of the template allows the user to use the arrow keys to easily move through the document and insert text. The first section that I get to says Report Title. I am going to enter the title of my report, Orca Whales. Then, using the arrow keys, I can move down to the section where I enter my name. The document is set up with headings that allow me to move whole sections around, allowing the user to easily organize and create a professional-looking document. Once I have written my document and I'm ready to run spell checker, I also have one more step to ensure that my document is accessible by all users, and that is the accessibility checker. Under the Review tab is a button that says Check Accessibility. When I click on this, it opens a pane and inspects the documents for formatting that will not work with a screen reader. It even provides information for how to fix any errors. We have looked at using templates in Word, and now we will see how templates in PowerPoint can create accessible, professional-looking content. Again, I click on New, and in the template search bar, I type in Accessible, and I'm given many accessible templates to choose from. Instead of choosing by category, I am going to pick one by thumbnail. Since my research is on orca whales, I'm going to choose the ocean design. Here we end up with pre-formatted slides that I can enter my content into. When I run Accessibility Checker, I see that this PowerPoint presentation has passed the accessibility inspection and can be used easily by a screen reader. Students who use screen readers can really struggle to visually present content in a professional way. Templates not only help students get started on crafting a document, but also help create a professional and organized document to be proud of. Using templates also ensures that the content I create in Word or PowerPoint is accessible to anyone in my audience. We must ensure that everyone can access the learning materials we set before them. Templates are a quick way to make that happen.